Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have REALME C75 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have connected with internet but your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store. To fix it, go back to the main menu and tap on your photo on the right corner. I need to choose Settings option, Family and Parental Controls. As you can see, our parental controls is on and we have page 3 to visible all game or application. We need more than page 3. To change it, tap on it, enter your connect pin to your parental controls, and there we can change it to maybe allow all included, underrated, confirm by godit, and save. You can also turn off your parental controls by switch off, and that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now and we can easily install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!